they will start the descent towards Vienna, preparing an on-time arrival. My colleague First Officer Karl Maria Stefan is on control, giving indications concerning the flight progress and the weather. The internal division of the system. Cabin crew, arms lights.
Will drop from the panel above you. Pull down the mask from the retainer. Cover your nose and mouth with the mask and secure it by pulling the elastic strap over your head. Put on your own mask before assisting children and other passengers. A life vest is located under your seat. Upon order from the crew, take the life vest out. Open the pouch and pull the life vest over your head. Make sure that the red inflation tube is facing forward. Pass the strap around your waist. Fasten it at the front and pull it tight. Upon leaving the aircraft through the emergency exit, pull the red tag to inflate the vest. If necessary, the life vest can be inflated by blowing into the red tube. Cross your arms in front of your life vest. For safety-related information, also refer to the card by your seat. For takeoff and landing, stow your carry-on baggage, laptops and other heavy items in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. If you are seated in a first row or in an emergency exit row, stow your carry-on baggage